Here we are at the National Railway Museum. Well, all that's missing is the steam coming from the locomotive cylinders. Looks as though we can go in this London and South Western Railway carriage. Well, this is nice and comfy. Yeah, I should be taking my rucksack off and putting it on, up in these racks. Yeah, this certainly would be travelling in style. Now let's have a look at our locomotive. It's a London and South Western Railway 044T locomotive. This is a look inside the cab. Yeah, I think this is the same type of locomotive as I had in my train set when I was wee. It was a Hornby model, but it was in Southern Railway colours. It's almost a tank engine. Well, he's done a lot to promote interest in railways. Marvellous. This is a North Eastern Railway locomotive. Now, just one thing though, the way they have the trains displayed here in the imitation railway station, yeah, it makes me think of Peter's words in The Railway Children, where trains are, he always talks about always seeing trains cut in half by railway platforms. Now we'll check this train out. North Eastern Railway. Now I can almost get onto the footplate. There's look inside the tender. And fire. All these controls in the firebox. Side. This is a Great Northern Railway carriage. Yeah, passengers' luggage. Yeah, the railway certainly knew how to provide service in those days. Railway companies. This is East Coast. East Coast. So it's LNER for repairs return to LNE shops Doncaster. I'll check out this LMS brake van now.
Come on in. Come on then. You the new lad, are you? Aye. Well, come on in then. Get sat down over there. Go on, with a few minutes to the...
Well, I think I'd better have a word with the Paranormal Society. You go on board a brake van at the National Railway Museum and you hear ghostly voices. I think this is worth noting. Well, it's kind of spotting in here, inside this freight van.
Your alarms are going on there, look. Careful, that's it. find back at the other side.
Oh, sacre bleu. Une voiture de wagon-lit. Comme les voitures de l'Orient Express, de Orient Express. Sleeping. There's a sleeping car, obviously. Yeah, makes me think of that scene in Murder on the Orient Express with John Gielgud and Dennis Quilley. Hey, what are you reading, Mr. Beddoes? Love's Captive by Mrs. Arabella Richardson. Is it about sex? No, it's about 10:30, Mr. Foscarelli. Does it look as though we've got a French locomotive here, though? It's like Battle of Britain class. It is Battle of Britain. Yeah, Winston Churchill.